Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a free delivery on Home Depot. First, you need to actually shop for eligible items, right? You can visit homedepot.com or use the Home Depot app. Just add the items to your cart that actually qualify for free shipping. And you want to look for the free delivery option on the product page, okay? And then you want to meet the minimum order requirement because most of these standard shipping orders over $45 actually qualify for free delivery. Now, some larger items though, like appliances, may have, special free shipping promotions. Could go on a lookout for those. And you want to use the Home Depot's free shipping programs. Major appliances about $396 or more qualify for free delivery. And curbside pickup is also available for free if you prefer to pick up your order. Okay? And what you can also do is you can go ahead and enroll in the Home Depot Pro Extra or credit card programs. You can enroll in these for exclusive shipping deals. Home Depot consumer credit card members may also get free delivery offers on select purchases. So just keep an eye out, special promotions, coupons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday deals. Use promo codes that offer free delivery. And what you can do is you can consider a subscription for free delivery, right? Home Depot subscriptions offer free standard shipping on a certain auto replenish products. So you can go ahead and try those out, okay? Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.